starts getting depleted. Body muscle में से protein लेकर it uses for the other processes. If you see people when they are very old, तो skin की sag होती है क्योंकि वो protein निकल जाती है, तो skin छूट जाती है. So this is very important. Protein is the most important nutrient for the body. It everything for our growth, brain development, everything protein is required. बच्चों से लेके बूढ़े तक के प्रोटीन की बहुत ज़रूरत है and 90% of the Indian diets are lacking protein. आप कोई भी Indian diet देखिए, just a small, just हम ये फास्ट दिन में कितनी बार दाल खाते हैं, कितनी बार दूध पीते हैं, कितनी बार दही खाते हैं? Anybody? One right here, I was talking to her. कितनी बार दाल खाते हैं? आप बताइए दिन में? दो बार. दही दूध? एक बार, खाली एक बार. वेजिटेरियन है बिल्कुल, प्योर वेजिटेरियन. प्योर वेजिटेरियंस के लिए खाली there are two sources of protein. Is your dal, pulses and the milk products. There is no other source of protein for vegetarians. बाकी सब is available in the non-veg sources of chicken, eggs, fish, whatever. And I'm sure at least 60% of people sitting here are vegetarians. How many of us have at least 4 servings of protein-rich foods in a day? That is the minimum we require. An average male of say weighing 60 kilos requires at least 60 grams of protein. Most of us don't even get half. Not even half of that. And if you count it in your daily, you will see not even 4 servings would come in a day of protein. You can count all of you. You just check कल क्या खाया था, and you will get a rough idea of where you stand. Includes sprouts. Sprouts are very good forms. जिसको मोट बोलते हैं, मोट, मग मोट. Those are very rich in protein क्योंकि they are semi-digested. वो body के लिए भी बहुत हल्के होते हैं digest करने के लिए. दूध at least दिन में 3 बार आना चाहिए, दही के फॉर्म में या घर के पनीर के फॉर्म में. अब जब पनीर बोलो, you don't have to go out and eat क्योंकि बाहर के पनीर में फैट ज़्यादा है, प्रोटीन कम है. So go for homemade paneer options, things like that are better. Nuts are very good sources of protein. जो बादाम होते हैं, they are nutrient dense foods what you call. बादाम हो गए, सिंग हो गया आपका, walnuts हो गए, they have good fat in it. They are very rich in protein. आप बस दिन के 5 कितनी बार सुनते हैं, एक बार मीठा बंद, हाँ कि ना? हाँ? Fat free is not an option even if you are on a diet. Body को fat की ज़रूरत है, but in moderation and the right amount of fat. Omega 3, omega 6 fatty acids are very important for the body. They protect the body against cancers, high cholesterol, diabetes. All these are good fats. And these are found in olive oil, the avocado. Avocado is a fruit, which is the only fruit which has fat in it. There is no other fruits which your fruits are only have sugar and carbs. Avocado is the only fruit which has fat in it. It is very rich, especially for kids. Making dips out of it is a good idea. Olive oil, groundnut oil, as I said, nuts. Your nuts are the best forms of omega 3, omega 6 fatty acids, sunflower. All these are good fats. Abhi fat bole to doesn't mean you have to have 10 teaspoons. Even 2 to 3 teaspoons is fine. Everything in moderation is required, but completely eliminating it is not an option. Now at this point, मैं एक चीज़ बोलूँगी is about ready to eat foods. Because lot of ready to eat foods are available today. सुपरमार्केट में जाइए, वो जो माइक्रोवेव खाना मिलता है कि वो फेंक के खाना, बस 5 मिनट 5 मिनट फूड जो बोलते हैं, 2 मिनट फूड 5 मिनट फूड माइक्रोवेव में डाला बना दिया. For that be very careful कि उसके पीछे they have to have labels, nutrition labels. Make sure to read those labels. Look out for trans fatty acids. Look out for saturated fatty acids. How much is the quantity of those present? Now these are the harmful fats. So we have to look out for these at that point. ये देखना है कि कितना amount है. In a 100 gram of packing, they should not have more than 2 grams of fat or 3 grams of fat in it, and saturated should be almost nil. These are what causes clogging of the arteries, which leads to cholesterol, heart attacks, strokes, etc. So reading nutritional labels are very important. So for that, just make sure about these few things. Even sodium, you can look out for. Sodium is salt. lot of diet food is available आजकल. diet food ये जो चिवड़ा चवाना जिसको बोलते हैं, ये नाश्ता जो हम चाय के साथ लेते हैं, और उसमें लिखा होता है big bowl में roasted snacks, but not necessarily it's roasted. A lot of times it's fried. Even if it is roasted, उसको tasty बनाने के लिए उसमें नमक बहुत डालते हैं, नमक, चाट मसाला, etc. That is what you have to look out for in sodium. Now coming to green leafy vegetables and your fruits, sabzi, these are live foods. And they're full of vitamins, full of energy, full of antioxidant vitamins. Now, does anybody know the antioxidant vitamins? Anybody? Any idea? Yeah, but what do they do?
Antioxidants to help in like that. Alright, I will not see.
Okay. Anybody's heard of something called free radicals? Free radicals. Now, free radicals are produced in the body on an everyday basis. When we are stressed, when we are in infection, increase intake of fruits, increase intake of vegetables. क्यों बोलते हैं विटामिन सी खाइए? कोल्ड होता है, मामूली कोल्ड भी होता है, लेमन जूस लेना. विटामिन सी, because vitamin C is an antioxidant vitamin and it is very very rich in the fighting basically to kill free radicals. Besides the fact that of all these, it is the secret behind beautiful skin, hair. You notice people who have these things of glowing skin. जो creams मिलती है मार्केट में, जो हम creams लगाते हैं, beautiful वो महंगे प्रोडक्ट, all those contain vitamin E and vitamin A. तो लगाने से better है कि खाइए उसको. It's better to eat those foods rather than locally apply it on the face. So always better to include those. Now carrots, spinach, methi, as I said, green leafy vegetables. Capsicum, cabbage, papaya, anything you see orange, red, these are the ones which are rich in carotenoids and your vitamin A. Now, most important, quantity. कितनी बार खाना में सब अच्छा खाते हो but फिर भी वेट आता ही रहता है. कितना अच्छा खाते हो? How much? Quantity is as important as quality. Excess of anything is bad, as we've heard from सुनते आ रहे हैं कि ज़्यादा कुछ भी एक्सेस में इज हार्मफुल. अगर हम रात को एक बैठकर 10-15 रोटियां खाएं और 3-4 पूरी खाएं, 2-3 कटोरी डालें, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट डन. वी हैव टू बैलेंस एवरीथिंग. द बेस्ट थिंग टू बैलेंस योर मील इज टू हैव एटलीस्ट दिन की 3 प्रॉपर मील्स एंड 2 स्नैक्स. सो बैलेंस इट आउट. इन एज 2 छोटे मील्स हो गए. इट कुड बी जस्ट अ फ्रूट एज अ फिलर, इट कुड बी जस्ट योर नट्स, बट यू शुड बी ईटिंग समथिंग एटलीस्ट एवरी 3 to 4 hours, बट समथिंग स्मॉल. खाइए थोड़ा सा बट इन थ्रू आउट द डे. लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स क्या करते हैं हम लोग कि लंच नहीं खाया हमने तो फिर डिनर पूरा बिग फैट डिनर वी हैव, शाम का नाश्ता पूरा खाएंगे, ठीक है ना, लंच नहीं खाए तो बैलेंस हो जाएगा. इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दिस. जो बॉडी को उस टाइम पे जितना खाना चाहिए वो उतना ही लेता है. अगर आप अपनी बॉडी को इतना खाना चाहिए तो इतना ही लेगा, बाकी का पूरा फैट में जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं होगा कि अभी मैंने दोपहर को नहीं खाया है, शाम को नहीं खाया तो मैं दूसरी मील में कॉम्पनसेट कर सकता हूँ. देयर इज नो कॉम्पनसेशन. यू लॉस्ट व्हाट यू लॉस्ट एट दैट पॉइंट. वो मसल्स आपकी यूज हो गई है टू गिव यू दैट एनर्जी. बाकी का जो नेक्स्ट टाइम खाएंगे वो ज़्यादा जो जाएगा वो सीधा आपके फैट में जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाट हैपेंस. Excess food then goes into the fat stores. It's better we split the meals through the day. 3 main meals and 1 to 2 snacks. It doesn't have to be elaborate, as I said. कुछ भी छोटा हो सकता है, एक टोस्ट हो सकता है, 2 बिस्किट हो सकते हैं, एक भी जो 6 बादाम हो सकते हैं, बट थोड़ा सा कुछ भी खाइए. Anything small at regular intervals.